Miss Jordan. Miss Jordan, please, Mr. Bernard would like to see you now.
Madam, welcome.
Thank you.
I knew she was going to walk.
You did. You what?
Yeah, we did. But you know, you shouldn't be so surprised, cause girl, we've been friends for years.
I know.
We have your details, and we know your birthday.
Well, I ain't disputing the fact that, you know, you girls know my birthday, but I am staking my neck on it. Sonia has a hand in this. Our signature is lovely just there. It is there. It is written in capital letters.
Okay, fine.
I knew it.
We're in a happy mood, okay? Okay, Sonia just told us when you'll be back from work. That's all. Just give us time.
I knew.
Okay, you have a loud mouth. You shouldn't have said it. But it's fine. You win. It's okay.
You know what? I would have found out eventually. You think I got to where I am today just by just sitting around and not doing it? I know everything that goes on. Come on.
We love you.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday once more.
I love you girls more. I love you. Well, that being said, I have news.
Okay, spill it.
I can say it's a good news.
Yes, always good news with me.
Okay, spill.
Yes, truly. Just landed a major role in Golden Dice's next production.
Jordan, again! Our girl keeps moving from grace to grace. Just 2 months after the last one, and here comes another one.
Come on, Thank you. Thank you, girls. I am super happy. You know what? This deserves to be celebrated.
Of course it does. And you know what they say? Friends of a superstar are superstars.
Of course, you girls.
So excited.
Okay, we're not just going to end this here. Okay. Let me go change and let's go out to party. Treats
we're gonna party. Cheers, baby.
Never, Jake. No, I won't have that. You ask that I provide 20% while you add the 40. Then you turn around, go back on the deal, and you're asking me for a 40%? That isn't going to happen. You hear me? Never. I refuse it. Yes. Okay. Hello, Mom. I have missed you. Oh, sweet Mom. Of course, I am coming to Abuja. Cool your horses, Mom. I'm serious this time. My flights are booked already. I'll be on the next flight out. Scout Hunter, Mom. Come on. Yes. And the award goes to...
Come on, get up.
Go away.
Sit up. Come here. Let's go.
Oh.
Yeah, be careful.
Dikeh, Dante, manager of the year.
Jordan, you have a meeting with Green Globe Food Project. You need to get ready.
Come on, Mickey. It's just 10 a.m. I know that meeting is 2 p.m., so leave me alone.
Jordan, you're forgetting that I would need 13 minutes to prepare you for likely questions. Did you forget?
Well, I'll have to freshen up, have breakfast, and complete my chores before anything, okay?
Very well. Look, I'll be outside, okay?
That's fine. Oh, please. Oh. Sonia! Sonia! Where could this girl be? Sonia?
Yes, ma'am.
Where have you been?
Oh, sorry. The fuel in the car wasn't going to be enough for today's running around, so I had quickly drove to the fuel station to fill up the tank.
Well, you should have told me at least before leaving.
Sorry.
But that's okay. I had the other car washed, so we'll go in that, okay?
Okay.
Mickey, is he still around?
Oh, yeah. He just came in a few moments ago, but he left. Went to grab a bite.
Oh. Mickey, when is it going to loosen up in my house? Anyway, just stand by. We'll leave any moment from now.
Oh, okay. So I'll just grab your bag and the files.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Don't do this. Can you call the doctor immediately? Yes.
Doctor.
Jonah.
Do you need?
Jonah. Call the freaking doctor!
I'm calling her.
Jonah.
Hello.
Jonah.
Hello.
Jordan, you need a lot of rest. And it's high time you cool down on work. It's weigh you down.
Doc, truth is, I'm at the peak of my career. I just find a way to manage my health.
Jordan, health is not what you manage. It's necessary you outsource the activities in your home. You can employ the services of a maid, a driver, and a cleaner. You can't be doing the house chores all by yourself. It's weighing you down.
Doctor, I love to do these chores. Besides, that's how I was raised.
Jordan, I think the doctor is right. Right? Look, time flies. The workload is too much on you now. Just get someone else to do these things.
Sonia.
Yes.
Please, call my friends. Tell them I need them now.
Okay.
Thank you. Doc?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't worry. With the treatment you just had, you'll be fine in some minutes. Think about what I just said.
Of course, Doc. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Doctor, thank you.
But seriously, Jordan, you have to stop doing these chores yourself. You just have to. And you still combine them with work at the office. It's going to weigh you down, no?
Tell her. And in addition to that, Jordan, I mean, there are times for everything.
Exactly.
Babe, you don't pass to the wash plate, cook, clean house, sweep house now. Get someone to do these things for you. You can afford it though.
This is Africa. You girls should understand that fact. Besides, I enjoy doing these chores myself. You know, it actually keeps my hands and my mind busy. Yeah, girl, trust me on that one. It gives me the sense of, you know, I'm doing something important. It helps me think, you know, it's just...
You're so funny. So stress helps you think?
Yes.
Oh. Auntie, are you going to outsource them or not?
Okay, I will. But the problem is, I don't even know where to get these people from. You girls just have to help me.
Wait. Is that a challenge?
Yes.
Come on, girl. That's not a problem. I know some people who are willing to do this job for you.
Really?
Yes!
Then that's settled.
Better for you.
Because if we're not here to help you, you will do it. Later you fall.
I don't mind. Come on.
Please, don't have to.
Meanwhile, okay. It's Martins.
That's true. How is Martins?
Spill. Yeah, baby. I wish you were here with me right now. No. It's been a really bad time.
Oh yes, look, Shola, you're the production manager. I want you to reschedule Jordan for next week. Fine, Monday is fine. Thank you.
Now, you are all the sweetness I need. Of course not. Any love, just hold on. Yes.
Right. Silverline sent you an email.
Okay.
They want to know when you would stop by to sign the endorsement.
Okay. Tuesday would be fine. Better yet, ask Mickey to schedule.
Okay.
I'm sorry, just some work stuff.
If let me call you back shortly, okay?
Here. Jordan said he should reschedule with Silverline.
Okay.
That's it. I love you more. No, me more. Are we gonna fight about that? Me more. Very large. Me more. Me more.
Alpha,
I do.
I beg, I'm sorry for the delay. I had to season the meat that we used to make 2 soups. Sorry.
That's not a problem. I came here because I have an offer for you, a job offer. And it is better than this place. You see, this new job is better.
You know you joke a lot and I don't take you serious. You be my cousin, I know you well for when we were small. You two, they play.
Me play. Do I look like I'm playing? This one is serious. The person that owns the job is my best friend. That's not it though. She is very rich. And the juicy part of this job is that she's willing to pay any amount that you mention. Any amount. Ima, you don't big pass this place. You stay here, you cook every day. And you get peanuts. No, now. This one, you will get a good pay with less stress. So you need the job.
Honestly, if you are serious that there is good money in it, I'm interested. What am I doing here now? Do you know how many cost me like cook every day for little money? Eh?
I know, and that's why I'm here. Yeah? That's why I'm here. That's your friend, that Yoruba guy. The one that used to take us to the island those days.
Ah, Kola. He's fine.
Hey. Okay.
You know he was doing this Uber job before, but he recently lost his job because he was working for one very wicked woman like that. If you see how much this woman they demand from this guy.
Anyway, that one is past tense now. Tell Kola that I have a job offer for him too.
Trinity, when did you become a job agent? Which one is you have a job for him too?
I am not a job agent. It's the same person. She's my friend, like I said. She's a celebrity. Yes, she does movies.
Celebrity.
Celebrity. Better one, not all those waka pass, better celebrity. Now she's in search of a cook and a driver. Now why I want to make you and Kola go work for that place?
Hi. Now they talk small. Okay. Okay, I'm going to talk to Kola. Kola does not have a choice. Now that one is jobless. Any work where you see with your eye, now you go take. You know he comes here every day to come and eat on credit. The boy won't put me for trouble.
Okay, no wahala. See, you guys should be ready tomorrow. I'll come here by 10 a.m. and then I'll pick both of you. We'll go there. So you see things for yourself. In fact, I'm very sure that you will start work by tomorrow.
Are you serious?
Yes, that's how urgent it is.
And she has money.
Very rich. Do you think I'll come here if she's not rich?
Thank you.
Okay. Don't forget to please don't fail me. 10 a.m.
Oh yeah, now later. No. Alpha. Man go survive. Sure. See, this new place where they tell you na jackpot. You'll be driving a female celebrity like that, a woman celebrity like that.
Woman celebrity?
Yeah, like she's a superstar. You know all these superstars.
Wait a minute. Are you saying woman is going to be our order?
Yes, now she's a woman.
Ah, no. It's not possible. I am not interested. I don't want to work under any woman. Bro, you know how these people can be. They are so inconsiderate. They can just shout on you anytime. No, I can't. You know my experience with Madam Terry. And you're telling me to go and work under a woman again.
Oh God. Everybody cannot be Madam Terry. This particular woman is different. We know say Madam Terry is a very wicked person. Everybody know now.
How do you know this person is different?
Because she's my cousin's best friend. And my cousin gave me an assurance that she's an angel to work with. And they tell you now, I don't ask all these things before time. But see, this one when you do here, they select job. Okay? Job no dey. Hunger go kill you. If you come this shop, say make I give you food, say go pay me later. I no go answer you. Don't be to dey do fine boy, the ratio that. Come and hustle, may we make money. Real money dey this work. You dey here, they do woman, say woman no say. Hunger go mama you.
Because your sister now won't give us work now, you won't come the 1 year.
Not beside the 1 year, they tell you as they go. The only thing wey sabi like for your life now to drive. You know that work wey they give you now, you know fit do am.
Yeah, I work now, the one why I sabi too now.
Nobody go like am.
Food, you can't have me food now.
Remember I go out to customer. No? But are they come?
Family food make I chop now. Emma?
Everywhere is just so scattered. Jordan. So because you got yourself a house help, you chose to leave everything undone. I'll just help you. What's this? What? Why? Why is she willing everything to charity? What's going on? I mean... Jordan is dying. Hey! Jordan... And no one knew about it. Hey, no, just can't you believe this? Oh,
Auntie Oge.
Judith.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
I see my friend left very early.
Yes, ma. And she looked so beautiful. Hi, I wish you saw her.
That's nice. Everywhere is scattered. Let me just
No. Antioge, please don't do anything. No. It's my job. I will do it. Antioge, I've been meaning to say something. I want to say a big thank you for helping me get this job. I don't know what I would have been doing by now. It's only God that will bless you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. I'm glad you like the job. But please, you have to always give your best.
Of course. I will never fail you. I will give my best.
I trust you. Please. Okay, just arrange this, please.
Okay, man.
I will be going. I'll see you later.
Hey, you don't want to...
No. It's fine. I'm fine.
Hey.
Auntie,
okay.
All right.
Okay, now bye, man. Hey. My madam. See this clothes. You look like Indian people clothes. All these actresses, they can be anything any day. Oh. My madam, fine woman with fine shape.
So, this implies that Jordan doesn't even have her friends at heart. All these things, even the house to charity. Who knows if Trinity is aware of this? This is strange. Her family and friends are nowhere close to her mind. I have to do something fast about this. Since she has decided to keep this away from me, I will have to find a way to take something before they are all gone.
What is it you want to say that is too heavy?
It is not heavy. But I want to ask you something. Do you know anything about Jordan's health?
Jordan's hurt. Is Jordan sick?
You're not aware? Jordan is sick, terminally sick. Incessant heart failure.
I thought it was stress from work.
Mickey, this is beyond stress from work. As I speak to you right now, Jordan's heart is failing. She has just a few time to live on earth.
How did you know about this?
She confided in me. As I talk to you right now, Oge is not even aware, and Jordan intends to keep it that way. Mickey, but that is not my worry. It is not my worry right now.
Are you sure about this?
Will I joke with a thing like this? Jordan has a document. And in that document, it is clearly stated that everything she has would be given to charity once she's gone.
What? What happened to her mother and her sister Emilia?
Now you see where I'm coming from. You see my worry. How can Jordan be this selfish? You are even talking about her mother and her sister. How about us, her friends? How can Jordan give everything out to charity just like that? Mickey, we deserve something. You deserve something. Out from all her massive wealth and properties, we deserve something.
This is serious. I'm even sweating. This is serious.
Jordan cannot do this to us. She can't.
Calm down.
Sister Oge, are you really serious about all you just told me? That my sister is willing to give all she has made to charity?
That's why I decided to let you know the moment I found out.
Is my sister really sick? Is she okay? Sister, okay, please don't keep silent on me. Jordan is my only sister. And I'm no longer a baby. There's nothing I can handle. Talk to me. Is she sick? How bad is it?
Emilia, it is very bad. She has a few more months to live.
Oh my God.
Calm down. See, this is no time for you to be weak. Jordan's heart is failing and weak. You need to be strong. Huh?
Is that why she's willing to give all she has made to charity? I mean, don't you think this is a foreign movie? What happens to Mama and I?
Today's where I want you to come in. That's why I'm here. You need to find a way to come to your sister's place. I will guide you on what to do. Huh?
Okay.
But first, what excuse will you give Mama for coming to the city?
Don't worry about Mama, I will handle her.
Fine.
Alright, thank you.
Hello, ma. Please, who are you looking for?
This is my sister's house. I should be asking you that question.
Your sister's house? But she never mentioned you're coming.
Really? Why are you even interrogating me? Who is this one? I beg.
I'm sorry, ma. Let me help you with the bag.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Color.
That's no big sis.
Amelia. Oh. You didn't call me. You didn't tell me you were coming. Why are you here?
Sis. Wait, is that what you're supposed to be telling your sister that came all the way from the village? Well, if you must know, Mama has been having bad dreams about you not feeling fine. And she asked me to come and stay with you.
How was your trip?
It was fine. And how are you?
Good.
You look good.
Mama. Good day. Amelia is here and she said you asked her to come stay with me. Of course not, Mama, but you didn't even discuss it with me. Of course, she's welcome to stay here anytime. She's my sister, come on. But what's with you having bad dreams about me that I'm sick? No, Mama. I'm fine, Mama. I'm a grown woman. I can take care of myself. You don't need to send Amelia to come babysit me. That's the point. Come. Mama.
When you are inside Jordan's room, head to the drawer by her bedside. Pull, and you will find some files.
Hello? Sister Oge. I couldn't find the documents you said were in the drawers.
Honey, it is there.
I even had to search everywhere. I didn't see it.
Jordan don't move those documents. She doesn't move them at all. They are there.
But I'm telling you, I searched everywhere. They are not here.
Okay, take it easy, honey. I will stop by tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Hope you know, eh, that when you planning to take something that does not belong to you, it's a criminal offense. When you planning to steal something that does not belong to you.
Yeah, hello, Sister Oge. Yes, I'm in her room now. Yeah, she just drove off.
You've got all the time in the world. It must be in that room. Perhaps she removed it from the drawer now that she has helps in the house. Search everywhere, okay? Search very well.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Hey, good morning, Miss Emilia.
Good morning. Judith, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
I had to use my sister's shower. Mine is bad.
Oh, I see. I hope you enjoyed yourself.
I just had my bath. I mean, it's nothing. Just do your job, okay?
Ima, what took you so long?
I was cooking when you called, and you know there is traffic on the road too.
At least you should have called.
What's this?
That is a SIM duplicating device. I want you to find a way to duplicate Jordan's SIM. I'll pay you for it.
Trinity, do you know what you're asking me to do?
Of course I know what I'm asking you to do. It's a very easy job. And that is one of the reasons I brought you into the house in the first place. So are you going to do it for me or not?
How soon do you want it?
As soon as you can get it done.
I don't know how this works.
Let me show you.
Auntie, you're welcome. Good afternoon, ma.
Good evening, ma. Judith, what are you doing in my room?
Eh? Yes. Hey, Auntie, I was outside. I was perceiving smell coming from your bathroom. And I said, let me come and clean your bathroom and clean your room for you, so that it will have a fresh breath.
No problem. Judith, I don't want you to ever clean my room again.
Eh?
I can do that myself, so you can go.
Ma, you can't say that. I'm only doing my job.
And I said you should not clean my room again. Is it by force? In fact, get out.
You mean?
I say get out!
Okay, sorry.
Leave! You want me to push you? Get out!
What happened?
How did you go?
What happened? My guys in the street have been trying to crack the card details that you sent me, but it's requesting for an OTP.
Mickey, but I warned you now. I told you not to access the account yet. I told you that I need time to access Jordan's phone. I just gave my cousin the same duplicator now.
Trinity, you didn't tell me this thing on time. You didn't tell me earlier. Now we are toasted. That format will no longer work because she must have seen all the OTP sent to her phone.
But that's not a problem. Let's not worry about it. I am very sure that by the time my cousin is done, we'll be able to access her phone. Our main focus right now should be on that checkbook. Were you able to duplicate the signature?
No, I was not. The guy I had in mind was not getting it right. So I need to contact another person to do the job. But it's fine, right?
I know somebody underground that is very good at it.
Really?
Yes.
Then let's get going.
When you planning to steal something that does not belong to you, there's a green light, and you disguise it to be so nice, but deep down your heart, you're planning evil.
You know I hate to be disturbed when I'm in the middle of a meeting. Why did you call me out here?
I'm sorry, ma. That's because I received an OTP on your phone 3 times and it's from your bank.
A one-time password from my bank. Let me see. Well, why would my bank send me an OTP 3 times?
That was why I wanted you to come and see it yourself.
Could it be someone is trying to hack into my account? Let me just call Jonathan. Hey, Jonathan. I'm doing okay, and you? Okay, quick one. I received an OTP from the bank 3 times. Do you know what that's about? Oh. For real? I thought as much. I knew someone was trying to do that. Oh. So I shouldn't activate it. Well, I knew that as well. That's fine. I'm sorry I took a bit of your time. Thank you. Sonia.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you imagine? Someone is actually trying to hack into my account.
Jesus Christ. Why?
I think henceforth I'll have to just have possessions of my phone. I have to monitor this closely.
Right.
You know what? Just wait for me. I'll be done shortly. Okay? I'll be right back.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have you eaten?
Not yet.
How about the others?
Very soon.
Please, it's late. You should eat. Come on.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's I forget. I didn't know that people still have time to fish in other people's ponds these days.
What happened?
Can you imagine? Someone tried to access my account earlier today. I was sent an OTP 3 times. It was crazy.
Hope you didn't activate it.
No, I'll be stupid to do that. You know, Sonia discovered it and she told me about it. I in turn told my account officer and he confirmed my fears. He told me there were some bad people trying to rip me off. Henceforth, I've made the decision to stay close to my phones.
Thank God. Another thing, sis.
What is it?
What do you know about Judith, your cleaner?
Judith? Not so much. She's nice. I know she's a single mother of 2. She's hardworking, and that's about it. Is there anything I should know?
I don't like the way she sneaks around your house.
Emilia.
She acts weird.
Emilia, come on. She's a nice person. Trust me, I gave her access, the freedom to explore. My room is not an exception. She has the freedom to go around the house. Trust me, that's not sneaking around. Not at all.
That still doesn't stop the fact that I don't like her. My spirit does not just accept her own.
Emilia?
Simple.
Emilia, let me teach you something today. You don't wake up and say you don't like people. She hasn't given you any reason to dislike her.
See, she has given me all the reasons so.
She's a nice person. I believe you're saying this because you really do not know her. Give it a little bit of time. I'm sure you get to like her. She's fun. Trust me.
I like that girl. Don't like her.
Eat your food.
She's a pretty soul and she's down to earth. She loves the well-being of everybody. She's an angel in human form. Whoa, she's accommodating, talented, industrious, and she's beautiful. She's a God gift to humanity, but why is her heart failing?
Hey, what did I just hear? Madam Emily is reporting me to my madam. What wrong have I done to Madam Emily? She wants to remove me from my job. Hey. Onodu ga drop we mao. Eh? Chekwero, wait. Does it mean I am blocking her from achieving her aim? Wait, oh. Maybe I am blocking her from achieving her aim. Oh, I see. Madam Emily, itiga kanati babaja. Now, the battle line has been drawn. You did not ask question. You have me to contend with. Because I will not allow you or your evil aim to work. Oma meme, it will not happen. Imagine. Okay.
She is a pretty soul and she's down to earth. She loves the well-being of everybody. She's an angel in human form. Whoa, she's accommodating, talented, industrious, and she's beautiful. She's a God gift to humanity, but why is her heart failing? Always failing. I wish God can heal her. She's It's a beautiful soul, wise heart fading, always fading. I wish God can heal her. She got a golden heart. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah.
Madam, please come and go to the room so you can sleep, ma. Madam. Ma.
Yes.
Yes.
Sis. Come on, go into your room. Please stand.
Okay. Where are my phones?
They're here.
Please, put out the lights, okay?
Okay, let me do that now.
Hey, that was close. But what does Trinity want to do with this thing? I thought they are best friends. No, I can't do this. I mean, Jordan is a good person and she doesn't deserve all of this.
Steal something that does not belong to you. There's a criminal offense, and you disguising to be so nice. But deep down your heart, you're planning evil, and you disguising to be so nice. But deep down your heart, you're planning. So what kind of friend are you? What kind of relative are you? What kind of a person are you? Will you go for selfish desire or reject a beautiful soul when you planning to take something that does not belong to you? It's a criminal offense. When you planning to steal something that does not belong to you, it's a criminal offense. And you disguising to be so nice, but deep down your heart, you're planning evil.
Lord Jesus. Emma, why did you call us out this late?
I don't even know. I'm surprised. Emma, what's going on?
You guys should calm down. Something is going on in this house, and I want you guys to know about it. Madam is sick. Seriously sick that she may die soon.
God forbid.
Where did you get this information from?
The other day, I was in the kitchen when Madam walked in. She didn't know I was there, but she came to pick water from the fridge.
Of course, I know I have a few months left to live. I'm prepared for it. It's just that I get weaker and weaker by the day.
Doc, it's not your fault. One way or the other, nature calls and we'll all have to answer someday. Just that mine came too early. Thank you, Doc. You know what? Have a good night rest, okay? Bye.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. This is making more sense. This is making more sense.
It is making sense.
Yes. The other day, I was cleaning Madam's room. In one of the drawers, I saw a report. A medical report. I was able to know that that was a medical report because it's the same report. It looks exactly like the same one the doctor gave me when my husband was very, very sick before he passed on. Oh my God.
So what did you do with it?
I kept it in one of the boxes in Madam's room because such documents shouldn't be kept anyhow. And that's not just it. I also saw a document that stated that when she dies, she's willing everything to charity.
That is exactly where the problem is.
Emma, you are scaring me the more. This is Madame's properties we are talking about. She can will it to anybody of her choice.
Kolawale, wait. Wait. Emma, please, where are you headed?
Trinity, my cousin sister, knew Madame was sick. And she's also aware that Madame has willed everything she has to charity. That's why she's doing everything possible to defraud Madame and get her own share big time.
Emma, why would you be saying such a thing about your cousin sister?
My God.
Madame's best friend?
Wait! Kolawale, please leave best friend out of this. Everything is making more sense now. Hey! Oh my goodness. I don't think Trinity is the only one who knows about Madame's illness. Madame's sister, Emily. Yes, I think she knows.
Emilia knows?
Yes. Emily is so uncomfortable around me. I've been suspecting her. Something is not right.
So, apart from Trinity, your cousin sister, are you saying Emilia is also involved in this?
Yes. Yes.
I'm scared. I fear that Madame is no longer safe around the people that she loves.
They could probably do away with her before her due date, just to revert everything to themselves.
Now you know exactly where I'm headed.
Hi, Emma. Now everything is like this. What are we going to do?
Yes.
We need to save Madame.
What are we going to do now?
I have a plan.
Okay.
Trinity, how could you do this to me? Huh? You're so mean. So Millie had to step in to invite me?
Okay, please calm down.
Damn it! You knew all along Jordan was dying. And you knew she wanted to will everything she has to charity. You didn't get me involved. You decided to do everything on your own and now you're shocked up?
Okay, can you sit down, please? Sit down. Sit down. Look, this is the reason I invite everybody. This is the reason I got everybody involved. But I'm surprised to see Emilia.
Oh yes. She found out the very first day I found out. I had to tell her, she's not a stranger, she's her blood sister.
There's one more person.
What?
Yeah, you can come in.
There she is.
I got her involved 2 nights ago. I figured we couldn't handle it without the help of her PA. She has all the details we need. So I had to involve her.
If I had known about this plan earlier, I wouldn't have called Jordan's attention to the OTP that was sent to her phone 3 consecutive times. And this would have been a done deal by now.
Well, I want to believe that everyone here are on the same page. Good. We all know how wealthy Jordan is. We will not fold our arms and watch her will everything to charity. We won't. Now, this is the plan.
I'm sorry I couldn't get it done. See, Trinity, I don't know what it is that you want to do with this same duplicator, and I don't care to know. Honestly, you can go ahead and do what you want to do, but just leave me out of it. I don't want to lose my job. Please.
Ima, you are a fool. You're a very big fool. Let me tell you something you don't know. You're going to die in poverty. Oh, you're working out on me. You're going to die a wretched man. Look at this idiot that I want to even help his life. His dead life. Idiot.
Yeah, I'm inside her room now.
Okay.
Okay, alright.
Hello? There's nothing here. Okay. Does it mean Jordan is suspicious of me? Maybe that's the reason she removed the documents. I have to search.
I told you, as we speak, she's inside Jordan's room. I told you guys. She's my #1 suspect.
Judith, you did a very good job by taking out all those documents. Jordan won't be needing them anytime soon, so she won't search for it. I hope you kept them safe.
Ima, don't you trust me? You should trust me. I kept them very, very safe. Nobody can even see it. Only Jesus Christ can see it though. So Ima, what next?
Now that the document is no longer within their reach, we swing to the next plan.
Now you're talking. They think they are smart, but they don't know we are smarter. A guy can know a guy yo-yo. Hey.
You planning to steal something that does not belong to you. It's a criminal offense, and you disguising to be so nice, but deep down your heart, you're planning evil, and you disguising to be so nice, but deep down your heart, you're planning evil. So what kind of friend are you? What kind of relative are you? What kind of a person are you? When you go for selfish desire and reject a beautiful soul, then you planning to take something
Kola.
that does not belong to you.
Uma?
The game has just begun.
Something happened this morning while I was washing the car.
Is this something serious?
Yes. I think Mickey and Sonia are in this game too. Yes.
How did you know?
While I was washing the car in the morning, I went to collect more water to use. On my way back,
I think these people are very desperate.
Ima, we need to do something fast. We need to do something fast before these people kill Miss Jordan before her time.
That will not happen.
I hope so.
Thank you, Sonia.
You're welcome.
That should do it. Okay. They better respond soon.
Chimo. Sorry. Mabiko, please forgive me.
Why are you always excited? Look at what you've done.
Sorry, it's a slip of my hand. You know, I don't used to see well. When I was small, sorry, oh please.
It's okay. Make sure you clean it up.
Okay, ma.
Sonia?
Yes, ma'am.
I think they just responded to my mail. Please respond to it while I go change this.
Okay, sorry, oh.
It's
Ndo,
okay.
please
Don't
don't
beat yourself over. Just clean it up.
Okay, ma. Auntie, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. It's a slip of my hand that I don't know when this thing happened. Eh? Sorry, oh. Ndo, let me go and bring mop. And mop everywhere. Don't be angry. Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello? Hi, babe. No, I'm sorry I missed your call last night. I just showered. I'm getting ready to go out. It's okay.
How
are you?
Fine.
It's true, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, ma. You forgot this. I know you like to wear it anytime you're practicing. Please, wear it, ma.
That's thoughtful of you.
Thank you. Hey.
Hope it's charged.
It's charged. I charged it all through the night.
That's fine.
Well done, oh.
Sure, thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. You dare not talk to me like that. Idiot. What? Do you even know who you're talking to? I refute it.
Just keep trying that one. Let me try this one.
It's not going. It's not connecting.
This isn't connecting either.
What's going on?
I doubt if Jordan is around.
Right.
Yes, because her car is not parked here.
I'm sure she'll call us back. Maybe she's busy or probably in a meeting or something.
Okay.
Let's go. Hello, girls. Okay, we're coming. We're coming. We're coming.
You dare stand there, look me in the eye, and mutter gibberish? Are you stupid? No, I refute all you're saying. It won't stand. Not on my watch.
Amelia, any news?
No news though. Mickey has been trying this since morning and nothing seems to be working.
Oh, good.
Mickey, can I try? Alright.
I have a feeling that something is wrong in that house. Are you sure that someone has not sabotaged this mission?
What do you mean?
Look, Trinity got Ima involved. But along the line, he backed out.
No. I don't think those guys know anything about this. She only instructed him to duplicate her scene, and that's all.
Well, do you have the document?
Oh yes, here. These are documents over 3 landed properties in Dikeh. If I'm not able to place my hand on any of our documents, the sales of this should be able to settle us for our suffering all these years.
can't believe my sister is this wicked.
Look, I think I should lock this in my car while we wait for Oge and Trinity. They're already on their way coming.
Okay, that's fine.
Excuse me.
How far?
Welcome. How did he go? Chine, it is true. Hey. Hey.
Judith.
Eh?
How did this document get into the hands of Sonia? You told me you kept them properly.
Hey. I swear with my life, I kept them very, very well. I don't know how that witchy girl got this.
Your voice.
I don't know how she got this.
What's going on here?
Hey. Hey. Good morning, ma.
The food is almost ready.
Yes.
I was going to fix it.
Stay there. Judith.
Mommy.
Take a look at the sun. It's shining really hot. And you're saying good morning?
Hey, it's Hamatan that is doing me. I don't even know his...
Save it.
Yes.
Just save it. Ima, what's that
Yes,
behind you?
Eh?
What are you hiding? Oh, the three of you. What's going on? Start talking.
Hello? Okay, have you people gone far? Okay, I cannot find the document that you gave to me. I kept it in my car. Look, tell Trisha to come back immediately. Those documents are missing. I don't know.
That's how I secured these documents. Every other document that belongs to you is in Judith's custody.
We had to hide all the other documents so they don't get hold of it. Only God knows how Sonia was able to get hold of these documents.
I'm still surprised. A lot has been going on. A lot has been happening lately. Your friends, including your sister, they found a document where you willed everything you have to charity. They've been trying everything possible to get hold of the document and then get their own share. So we had to work hand in hand to make sure we protect everything, all your properties.
She's accommodating, talented, industrious, and she's beautiful. Hey. She's a God gift to humanity, but why is her heart failing? Always failing.
Okay, look, I need you to believe me, right? I think somebody was watching us closely. Probably the person saw me drop those documents in my car.
Lies. Lies. Just pray Emily and Sonia find something. Else, I'll be the last person to believe your cock and bull stories.
Madam. Hey, Jesus, oh, Jesus. Open the car, open the car. Heart attack. My madam, heart attack. My madam jump, heart attack. My madam jump, heart attack. Sorry, madam is dying. Heart attack. Madam jump, heart attack. Hey, Jesus, Kola move. Kola drive. Jesus. Hey, Ribasari Bayaka. Hey, Kola, go to hospital. Madam. Hey, Ribasari Bayaka. Heart attack. My mother fall die. Heart attack and my mother. No shouting.
You must stop screaming. What's it?
I say heart attack has jammed my madam. My madam don't die.
Madam just
collapse. My madam don't die. Let me go. Start crying. Start praying. Basari baya kaya. Hey,
Judith, what did you say happened to my sister?
Small madam, I was cleaning. I decided to take water to my madam. When I got to her practicing room, I opened the door only to see my madam on the floor. My madam was lying down yakata on the floor. Ew. I touched my madam refused to answer me.
Emma, what is she saying?
I had to rush to call Emma so we can rush her to the hospital. Please. I don't know if my madam is dead and gone. I don't want to lose my destiny helper.
This thing is paining me, madam. This thing is paining me.
A minute, I need to take this call outside.
Okay.
Come.
Madam, please don't die.
God, please.
You're my only destiny helper. My madam, my destiny helper.
you trying to say? See, Mickey or whatever they call you. Don't play with me, oh. That's my sister's documents we're talking about. You know what? I don't care how you're going to do it, but you need to find those documents. Did you hear me? Don't take me for a fool. Nonsense.
Good afternoon, Dr. Oni. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Jordan was rushed out of the house not quite long, so I called to check if she is in your hospital.
Yes, she's in the emergency room. We are trying to stabilize her. She will be fine, don't worry.
Oh, okay. That's okay. I will be on my way right now.
No, you don't have to. She doesn't need anyone around right now. I'll let you know when to come.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Alright. Bye for now. What came over them?
Get me some officers from the state CID.
You will. Just be calm. You will be fine, okay? Were you able to get through with her doctor?
Yes.
What did she say?
She said she's under an intensive care unit and won't want anybody to disturb her. But I think that will buy us some time for now. What do you think?
I don't know. Emma, are you sure this plan will work?
Trust me, it's going to work. Are the 3 phones well charged?
Yes.
Fine. I'm going to put one in the kitchen, one in the sitting room. Where should we put the last one?
In Madam's room. You know her sister is always entering Madam's room, searching for what I don't know.
Perfect. If that's the case, you have to put the phone in Madam's room. Make sure it's out of sight, but position it in a way that is going to capture everything. Are you sure you can do it?
I can do it, trust me. I can do it.
Okay.
What's all this? Frustrated. You know, something is not right. Jordan has removed all her documents from their usual positions.
Wait. Could it be that she's suspecting us already?
It's possible. You know, all this started after she got those OTP alerts on her phones. Right from that moment, she refused me access to her phones.
God. What do we do now? What do we do? Because this whole thing is driving me nuts.
Ima, do you know that you're a very big fool? Do you know? So this is how you want to end your life? In this kitchen?
Trinity, I appreciate the fact that you want the best for me. However, I do not want to do anything that will make me lose my conscience.
What useless conscience are you talking about? No, answer me. What useless conscience are you talking about? Can you even hear yourself talk? Hey, Ima. Hey, God. You are a poor man. And you're still talking about conscience. Really? Oh, now I see. I see why your father died a miserable, poor man. I see. When my mother told me the story, I didn't believe it. But now I believe things for myself. Because I have seen that you want to die a poor man. You want to. You want to remain in this house as a mere cook. Ima, think about the future now. Think about your life for once. What kind of poverty mentality is this one? I regret regret ever having anything to do with you. I regret having you as my cousin brother. Why did I even bring you into this house in the first place? Since you don't want to do what I have said, immediately Jordan returns, you are leaving this house. I am her best friend, so she will listen to me and send you out of this house. Foolish cousin of mine. I regret ever knowing you. I regret ever bringing you into this house. You will die in your foolishness.
There is nothing here anymore. Who else is aware of this whole plot?
Ima the cook.
I knew it. I knew something was wrong.
Amelia, so you lied to me. You lied to me that Mama asked you to come look after me. Little did I know that you were planning to steal everything I have worked so hard for. My own sister. Conniving with my friends and workers to steal from me?
Sis, please, I'm sorry.
Jordan, what are you talking about?
If you both are the definition of friends, then who needs enemies? Thank you. Thank you so much. Officer, please. In that phone, you'll find video and audio recordings of all their plot to reap where they did not sow. You know, when Kola, Judith, and Ima here came to me to tell me everything you all had been planning, I asked them to get me proof. Kola suggested I fake being attacked so as to get me out of this house and allow you the freedom to come in and reveal yourselves. And as low-minded, shallow-minded people you all are, you fell for it. You fell right into the trap.
You caused it. You pushed us all to this. How could you will everything you have to charity, forgetting your mother and your sister? Not even your friends.
And who told you I didn't make any plans for them? Well, I only gave 30% of all I've got to charity. My greedy sister here and my mother are my next of kin. So I gave them 55%. And you, my greedy friends, I left you with the remaining 15%. The funny thing is, the only people who
were not in that document, who didn't have anything, are the people right behind me. The same people sticking their necks out for me. What a life.
Jordan, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Let's work.
Sis, please, I'm sorry.
Jordan,
please. Sorry.
Please forgive us. Please.
I am not your sister. Officer,
I'm sorry.
please, I'm tired. I need to rest. Take them.
Sis, please.
Joe,
please.
Take us away.
Jordan! Listen! You would have to cooperate yourself.
Officer!
Move there! I said move there! Move!
Officer!
Not anything you say will be
Jordan!
Move this way. Move this way. This way. Move! Don't play with me before I use our arm. I said move. Will you move? Move there!
You planning to take something that does not belong to you. It's a criminal offense when you planning.
Of course. Nothing. It's been a while, Dad. Maybe, can I call you back? Something just came up, I'll call you back. Sure.
Madam.
What's going on?
Please. Madam. We are here to plead on behalf of your sister and your friends. We know you are hurt deeply. But please, we need you to forgive them. Temper justice with mercy, please.
Yes. Yes, our mommy. Omalicha wine. Tomato juice. Omuma asaro. Please, I am begging you. I know you have a good heart. He busy with them mother. Please, we are begging you to please forgive. Please, forgive and forget, Biko.
You're a good person. God wanted you to know the kind of people you have around you. He wanted you to learn how to deal with them. Even we here, we're not different. To err is human, to forgive divine. Please.
Please, ma. Forgive me.
Omalicha. Asamma. Dewe mwata potewe ni nadaju. Biko. Tomato juice. Yibo. Akwa mbeke. Biko.
Please stand. The three of you, stand. I've had all your pleas. I'll see what I can do about it.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
God bless you, our mommy. Chuku gozie you.
You can go back to her.
Hey.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you so much, our mommy. Chuku gozie you. Ezibute mad. Thank ma.
Thank you, ma.
I'm sorry. I don't know what got over me. I was stupid. Please forgive me.
Stupid. That's the right word, Emilia. How could you? How could you join strangers to steal from your only sister? Emilia.
Yes.
Do you lack anything?
No.
Does Mama lack anything?
No.
I know I'm sick, but I'm not dying soon. I expected you to confide in me when you heard their plot. That's what families do. They stick together. What if they had killed me, Emilia? What if I died?
I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, I'm so sorry, please.
Stand. As for Trinity, Oge, and the rest, they can move on with their lives. I withdrew my case against them. But with you, I'm stuck forever. 'Cause you're my only sister. Why did you do this, Emilia? You hurt me the most, Emilia. Honestly, you did hurt me.
I know, sis, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry.
Thank you once again. Judith, Kola, Ima. Thank you once again. I'm grateful.
I'll be out of the country for a month. My fiance found a specialist in the UK who will manage my condition.
Congratulations.
Emilia here will be going with me, and she'll stay with me all through, pre and post op. Please, take care of my home. If I don't make it, Emilia will be back with instructions. Okay? You have nothing to worry about.
Sis, please, don't talk like that. Nothing is going to happen to you, okay?
Madam, please, I beg you, in the name of God, don't ever say that again. Madam, you've been taking care of us, the poor. You always look out for those in need. So God of the poor will always be with you, and He will see you through. You will come back strong. Nothing will happen to you in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yes, man, nothing is going to happen to you.
You will come back victorious.
Thank you. Meanwhile, I transferred some money into Judith's account. It's enough to take care of the three of you till I'm back. You have nothing to worry about, okay?
Ma, you mean you transferred money for our upkeep into her account?
Yes, she will handle it. I trust that she will take care of you, okay? You have nothing to worry about, okay? I'll miss you all. Come.
Don't do this to me, oh! God will protect you in Jesus' name.
Thank you.
Let's go, please.
Thank God.
Why are you the one that is in charge of money that is meant for my upkeep in this house? Why?
Am I not the only woman in this house? So I should be the one in charge of the money. If you like. Don't respect me. I'm you people's mommy now.
What do you mean by you?
You disguising to be so nice, but deep down your heart, you're planning evil. And you disguising to be so nice, but deep down your heart, you're planning evil. So what kind of friend are you? What kind of relative are you? What kind of a person are you? Will you go for selfish desire and reject a beautiful soul?